You get the glory. Father, you get the praise. Take all of the honor. Hey, you get the glory. You get the praise. You take the... Everything has to change. 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 At the mention of the name of Jesus. At the mention of the name of Jesus. Jesus. Everything has to change. 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 One more time. Everything has to change. Take it up. Everything has to change. Everything has to change. Hey, everything has to. When I mention your name, everything has to change. Everything has to. Hey, everything. When I call your name, somebody call on the name of Jesus. Call on the name of Jesus. I'd rather you call on the name of Jesus. I'd rather you call on the name of Jesus. I don't know any other name. I don't know any other name. But I know the name of Jesus. I don't know Muhammad. I don't know Buddha. But I know the name of Jesus. But I know the name of Jesus. Yeah. Power in the name of Jesus. There's power in the name. That's what. Your name makes the difference. Your name makes the difference. Your name makes the difference every time. I can count on you. I can count on your name. I can count on you. I can count. We cannot count on the government, but we can count on Jesus. We cannot count on our salary. I cannot count on my bank account, but I can count on Jesus. I can count on you. I cannot count on my spouse, but I can count on the name of Jesus. I cannot count on my mother, my father, my brother, my sister, my aunt, but I can count. Oh, in the name of Jesus. So when the music fades and all is stripped away, and I simply come with the pain and the struggle, longing just to bring something that's of worth that would change my life. Because when I come into His presence, I'm changed. Oh God, I'll bring you more than a song. For a song in itself is not what you have required. You see, you search much deeper within, 'cause like the way things are, you looking into my heart. I'm coming back to the heart of worship, 'cause it's all about, from January to December, it's all about you. I'm sorry, Lord, for the things I made it. Oh, all about you. Why did it take me so long to realize it's all about you? It's all about you. But Lord, let it be about you. Said it's all about you. So in my life, so be glorified at the end of the day, at the end of the day, at the end of the day, at the end of the day. At the end of the day. Oh, in my life, be glorified, Lord. Be glorified, Jesus. Hey. Be glorified. Be glorified. Listen to me. You get the glory. You get the praise. Hey, you get the honor. I just want to say, you get the glory. Father, you get the praise. Take all of the honor. Hey, you get the glory. You get the praise. You take the honor. I just want to say, Lord, I tell you, you get the glory. You get the praise. You take the honor. I just want to say, thank somebody, raise your hands again. Tell him you get the glory. You get the praise. Take all of the honor. The talent belongs to you. It all belongs. It all belongs. It all. You get the glory. At the end of the day, you get the praise. You get all the adoration. Thank you. Somebody raise your hands up.